This is a video about translations on a coordinate plane. We're going to do 3 examples. The first example is translate point A, 3, -2, 2 units to the left and 3 units down. So 2 units to the left, 3 units down. So let's first plot point A. And that's where it will be located. We're going to make a point with green since that's where we're going to go from. And we're going to label it as A. So if we're going to go 2 units to the left, we'll start at point A. 2 units to the left would be 1, 2. And then 3 units down, 1, 2, 3. With your red colored pencil, you're going to label that as A prime. And it's red because that's where you stop. A with the apostrophe means A prime, that's how you say it, and that's the actual new point that will be with your new image. Now we're going to write the rule, which is the translation notation. So whenever you see the word notation, we're looking for the rule. So let's write, first let's write our order pair that goes with A prime, which is 1, -5. Now let's write the rule. So let's look at what we actually did. 2 units left, left is a minus. 3 units down, that would be a minus as well. So then we can write our rule. And since left and right is x and up and down is y, we're going to have x minus 2 and y minus 3. And that would be your rule, or also called the translation notation. Here's example 2. Translate segment B, C, 4 units to the right, so that's x, 2 units down, that's the y. Let's plot our points B and C and label them, and then make a segment because it says segment BC. Now we're going to move them 4 units to the right and 2 units down, and we're going to do it 1 point at a time. So put your pencil on the B and go 4 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 units down, 1, 2, and that's where B prime would be. Go to C and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and 2 units down. 1, 2. And that's where C prime would be. And make sure to connect your segment. So our B prime and C prime, we're going to write our ordered pairs. Make sure that you understand how we got those numbers. And then let's write the rule, which is the notation. So let's start by writing rule. And if you go to the right, that's positive. And if you go down, that's negative. So we have x plus 4 and y minus 2. And here's where we get those numbers. For our final example, translate triangle QLU 4 units left and 2 units up. So you already have the image, and it's in green. So let's translate 1 point at a time. So we're going to go 4 left, 2 up. So if we go 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 up, 1, 2, that's a point. Do that with the other points. Once you've done that with each point, you will label it and of course make the connection so it is a triangle. And then we can write the primes for the new image. And here is what they would be. Now we're going to write the notation, which is the rule. So our rule would be x left is minus and y up is plus. So we would have x minus 4, y plus 2. So x minus 4 y plus 2 would be our rule.